Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Apple Layout on this Android. Begin with accessing Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher. Following that, you need to get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, hit open. Then wait for the pop-ups to show. When they do, you need to select Allow or Allow while using in all of them. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and select Home button. Then go into Devices Settings. In Settings, you need to choose Apps section and click on Default Apps. Now finally select Home app and click on iOS Launcher. Then tap on OK, select Got it, and as you can see, after that, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my Google Pixel. If you wish to, you can always just switch between your layouts by going into exactly the same settings and tapping on Default Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!